హాయ్ చిల్డ్రన్, వెల్కమ్ టు విద్యాది ట్యుటోరియల్స్. మీరు నా ఛానల్ని కనుక కొత్తగా విజిట్ చేస్తుంటే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. చిల్డ్రన్, మన ఛానల్లో 7th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ న్యూ సిలబస్ యొక్క వీడియోస్ 1 by 1 ఆర్డర్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఎవ్రీవన్ follow our channel daily. So in today's video we are going to discuss exercise 1.3 from chapter 1 integers. Are you ready? Let's begin now. Hi children, welcome to Vidyadi. So today we are going to discuss exercise 1.3. So let's start. Identify the laws of the following statements. The first question is identify the laws in the following statements. So we have to identify which law is satisfying here. See the first one, minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus of minus 3. Here minus 3 is A, minus 3 is A, B is 5. A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. It is in the form of A plus B is equal to B plus A. Then what is this law? Yes, it is commutative law. We already discussed commutative law. A plus B చేసిన B plus A చేసిన రెండు ఈక్వల్ అయ్యాయి. So it is commutative law. Now let's see the second question. Minus 2 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. So here minus 2 is A. A into 1 is equal to 1 into A, that is equal to A. So which law it is? Yes, it is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. ఏ law ఇది? Multiplicative identity. Understood children? Now let's move on to the third question. Now third question. Minus 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3. So here minus 5 is A. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Which law it is? Yes, it is associative law. Associative law under multiplication. It is associative law under multiplication. Associative law under multiplication. Understood children? Let's move on to next question. Fourth question. 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So here 18 is A, 7 is B, C is minus 3. So A into B plus C is equal to A into B. A into B plus A into C. 18 into minus 3. So A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Which law it is? Yes, it is distributive law. Distributive law. It is distributive law. Understood children? Now let's move on to next question. Now let's see the fifth question. Minus 5 into 6 is equal to minus 30. So here minus 5 is A, B is 6 and C is minus 30. So if you observe this equation clearly, for any two integers for any two integers a comma b, for any two integers a comma b belongs to z. That means a is an integer, b is an integer. Then a into b also belongs to z. So వాటి product కూడా integers అవుతుంది. So what law it is? It is closure property under multiplication. Understood, children? So minus 5 is an integer, 6 is an integer. So the product minus 30 is also an integer. So it is closure property under multiplication. Sixth question. Minus 3 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So here minus 3 is a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, that is equal to a. So which law it is? Yes, it is additive identity. Additive identity. Which law it is? Additive identity. Understood, children? Now let's move on to the next question. Now second question. What will be the sign of the product of the following? 24 times of negative number. So let us take minus 1. How many times? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 and so on. How many times? 24 times. So we have to multiply minus 1 for 24 times. 24 is even or odd? 24 is even number. So even number means answer will be in positive. So the answer is positive. Positive sign. Now the second question is 35 times of negative number. So we are multiplying minus 1 per 35 times. Minus 1 into so on into minus 1. How many times? 35 times. How many times? 35 times we are multiplying. So 35 is even or odd? Yes, it is odd number. 35 అనేది odd number. So the sign is negative. So minus sign వస్తుంది మనకి. ఓకేనా ఆన్సర్? Understood? Now let's see the third question. Write the suitable numbers in the blanks by using appropriate law. So minus 3 plus how much we get minus 3? Yes, we have to write 0. Minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. See the second one. 2 into minus 3 is equal to? Yes, minus 3 into 2. Minus 6 plus of 3 plus of minus 2 is equal to. So what we have to write here? Minus 6 plus so minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 2. Minus 6 plus 3 plus minus 2. So here a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Understood? Now let's move on to fourth one. Minus 6 into dash is equal to minus 6. So this is multiplicative identity 1. Minus 6 into 1 is equal to minus 6. See the fifth one. 5 into minus 6 plus 9 is equal to. So if you observe this, it is in the distributive law. So 5 into minus 6 plus 5 into 9. Okay, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus b into c. Understood, children? Now let's move on to fourth question. State true or false with write the reasons. Okay, now first question. See here, 2 is multiplicative identity of minus 2. Is 2 is multiplicative identity of minus 2? No. Multiplicative identity ante enti? Always 1 అని చెప్పాను కదా. So it is false. Write down false. See the second question. Integers are commutative under subtraction. Are they commutative under subtraction? False. See the next one. For any two integers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. Yes, it is commutative law under multiplication. So it is true. Next one. The division of integers by 0 is not defined. Yes. So if we divide any number, for example 2 by 0, it is not defined. It is not defined. We cannot get the answer. So it is true. Next question. 6 plus of minus 6 is equal to minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Indicates additive identity property. Is it additive identity property, children? No, it is additive inverse identity property. So it is false. Okay children, now let's move on to question number 5. Simplify the following using suitable laws. The first one is minus 11 into minus 25 into minus 4. Now let's solve this question. See here, minus 11 into minus 25 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 11 into 25. So again we have to multiply minus 4. Minus into plus is minus. So 11 into 25 into 4. So here it is into. Okay. Minus 11 into 25 into 4. So let us multiply 25 into 4. How much we get? Minus 11 into 100. That is equal to minus 1100 is the answer. Now the second question is 3 into minus 18 plus 3 into minus 32. So here 3 into minus 18. Here we got positive sign. Here we got negative sign. So here plus into minus minus. Minus 3 into 18 plus minus into plus into minus minus. So 3 into 32. So 3 into 18, how much we get? 18 3s are 54. Yes, minus 54 plus here plus into minus. Again we get plus into minus minus. 3 into 32. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So minus 54 minus 96. Both of them were same sign. So we have to add and keep the minus sign. So minus 54 96. Add them. 6 plus 4 10. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 9 15. So we get minus 150 as answer. Now let's see the sixth question. Are the integers are associative under subtraction? Explain by an example. So they are asking us to explain whether the integers are associative under subtraction or not. They are asking us to take an example and explain. See here, are the integers are associative under subtraction, children? For any three integers a, b, c, a minus b is minus c not equal to a minus b minus c. Let us see. Let us verify that a is 1, b is 2 minus C is 3. 1 minus 2 minus 3. Let us verify left hand side and right hand side. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus 3. 1 minus of minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So by this we can say that, is it clear? Is it visible for you? So by this we can say that integers are not associative under subtraction. Okay, this is the example. So the last question for the exercise is 7th question. Verify minus 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3. Now let us verify left hand side and right hand side. Minus 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3. Now here minus into plus is minus. Minus 5 into 2 is 10. Minus 10 into 3 is equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3 is 6. So minus into plus, minus 10 into 3 is 30 is equal to minus into plus is minus 5 into 6 is 30. So both of them were equal. So LHS is equal to RHS. So hence verified. Okay, hence verified. Okay children, understood children? So this is exercise 1.3. Hope you all understood well. So let's meet in the next class. Okay, till then, thank you children. Bye.
Thank you children. Subscribe our Vidyadi tutorials for more educational concepts and videos. మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.